In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a free Zoho business email. We'll walk through the process step by step, keeping it simple, and by the end you'll have a professional email address you can use with your own domain. This is great if you're running a small business, freelancing, or just want something more professional than a personal email. First, open your web browser and go to the Zoho Mail website. You can do this by typing Zoho Mail into your search engine and clicking on the official Zoho Mail link. Make sure you're on the correct site so you're not entering your information anywhere suspicious. Once the page loads, you'll see an overview of Zoho's email services. On the Zoho Mail homepage, look for the option that says Business Email. This is important because Zoho offers different types of accounts, and we specifically want the business email option, which lets you use your own domain name, like youatyourcompany.com. Click on Business Email to move to the sign up section. Now you'll be taken to a page where you can start creating your account. Here, Zoho will ask you to fill in your details. Typically, you'll need to provide information like your name, a desired username, a password, and possibly a phone number or country. Take your time and make sure all the information you enter is accurate. Choose a strong password that you haven't used elsewhere, and consider storing it in a secure password manager so you don't forget it. As you fill out the form, you might see options related to your domain. For a business email, you usually connect a domain you already own or explore how to set one up if you don't have one yet. Carefully read any prompts related to domains so you understand what Zoho is asking for before you continue. If you prefer not to create a completely new login, Zoho also lets you sign up using existing accounts. On the same sign up page, you'll see options to register using services like Google, Facebook, LinkedIn, or X. If you choose one of these, click the corresponding button, then follow the prompts to give Zoho permission to connect to that account. This can make logging in easier since you won't need to remember another separate password. Just be sure you're comfortable linking those accounts and that you're on a secure network when you do it. Once you've either filled out your details or signed up through one of those services, you're ready to finish the process and start exploring your new Zoho business email.